Hi guys, it's Yellow is a girl, big friend KAYNA. I am here with a like pepper cup soup challenge, and please me asking if you subscribe to my channel because this is my first ever video, and me did want wait until me reach 1,000 subscribers before me drop a video. But all my fans, I know some me have to give you something to keep on entertain, and yeah, just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and that's all. Bye bye.
I don't know why you know. Tell me a pepper, you know. Come from country, you know. I joke a pepper sauce. Hot pepper sauce with hot spicy noodle. So we have a challenge to see which one of them can done for them first. So we make sure we equally so nobody can say one no for than one. Everybody has drink the same amount. The last man standing is the winner. So choose.
I can't feel my body a shoot already.
Choose.
Yeah.
Right. So we have Shanice.
Alright.
We have Kayla.
One bell button.
Every day they drink up pepper sauce. And tell me say no hot.
Shanice said it in the camera.
So more get up.
Yeah.
More than say 20. Wait, 20.
That's why I'm telling us how to stand up.
So it's like say me never hungry too.
That's close.
Alright.
Yeah, you're gonna
I
back
guess
up them because we don't want to go touch you. We don't have to touch and pepper go start burn.
That none this undone. Yeah, Jennifer. Cho.
Alright.
Wait. That's what I can do. To sit down, let's have a come out.
We never did say we can't do it.
Them yama. See ya. One whole of pepper sauce to buy no. See ya. You see what left out of it? Out of a whole sea pepper. Oh, wait. Oh,
Papa, I mind full up too much, could I?
good.
No, looking at church one.
Because I'm not sure enough water in there.
I see my amount of pepper.
So much
But no, you're mad. Me want be
Water in there.
Yes, me can. Me want be able to
You
shit
drink
on
your
morning.
water if you want to drink your water.
Water might taste good at
What do you know? Iron water is the most spicy.
You want it for drink?
Oh, no, ready?
You tell me to start. You will not take up a go. You want to tell me to start?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Ready.
Ooh, like Kayla take time.
Kayla, these are like hungry man. For the blood. But Kayla won't earn her back home, man.
That's how you fun.
What?
Right? Good.
Kayla dead.
Yeah, man, some of them take wash out before they come in, so. I'm feeling them.
Hungry. Catch it. Go, Kayla. Go. But I see Kayla come around and Kayla look hungry. So me know. Alright, take this.
Like
We're
Shanice,
not
they're
black
all-
Kayla, we can't see you. Yeah. Oh God. But I want me juice now.
Take it up.
Nobody do
Me neither.
not drink. Papa. How am I there?
Yeah, we drink I never money. No money, no juice.
Do you have to drink your water,
How much
guys?
money,
Why?
How much
Come on.
Come on, come
Let's
on.
go, let's go, let's
Get
go.
on your Vanessa.
Let's go.
you gonna set a timer?
No, or the last, or the first man to done it.
I'm gonna run away to the first pop.
What do you mean?
Who can't eat and not drink? No drinks.
What's
Shanice be like, oh God.
feel like Shanice are going slim.
Anyways.
Alright, tea. Take
Look
a
how crumbs and water left in the book.
Come, so water.
So we.
Drink your water.
Done, and I'm saying hungry.
Jesus Christ in the.
You know if you drink the
Pick
water.
up the empty.
I saw you bad.
Come, you come.
Come on.
Empty. Who first? So water. No, put your head, you know. Have a drink of water too.
No?
Yes.
Papa said no.
Yes, I in there pepper there.
Then again,
Pepper.
fuck.
You have to
Then
drink.
again.
I'm supposed to know.
Yeah, no indecent language for them.
So if you go home.
Drink the
The
water,
water
guys.
supposed
Drink
to-
the water supposed to
What
drink.
drink
This is
juice?
why I said me never
You
want
know where
to show
you're
in here.
Put in a plate
What's your
and try.
Time me done.
Drink it juice.
I'm not drinking.
You lose it. It's
You lose.
fast.
Papa, I said no water. You don't get me upset right here.
Nobody want to see that.
I don't care. Papa, I said you water don't in there. You don't-
So who will be able to drink this yeah?
The next time it's spicy,
Guys,
instead of the water.
Guys, next time I take out the new out of the the something and put that in the
Kayla
water.
still here. Kayla still here. Taejah over
Daddy,
here.
none of them drink no water, so
Hey.
can still stay and give me
Taejah over here. Alright, the contestants I'm done.
What? Kayna not done. Kayna still drinking.
Oh God.
Kayla knows, guys.
Me no business. Me damn out the pot fire.
We can't drink it still.
No.
Huh?
You see how long they can hold out.
That's true.
And some heal up pepper. Come on, sure, man. Guys, I'm going to go my cellular because I can do this all night. Just want somebody to chat to.
And she put water in the head.
No problem. We come in here.
Just go drink a juice.
Me no want to.
Drink like a juice.
Me no want to.
Somebody can drink a juice like a game done.
Alright guys, we got the juice.
You to be a
Give them a
good
juice.
Me no want to.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Take a juice. Take a
Turn on the
juice.
fan.
Who want
Kayla,
the juice?
just touch your
Next
Who
time,
want
we
the
know our
juice?
sister over here.
Who want the juice? Come on, pick a juice. Pick a juice.
You think if people them want out, daddy?
Somebody.
Guys, I got my first juice, so me out.
You don't want it?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that.
Put in the camera.
No.
Come on, no. You don't push it.
Turn on the fan no bomba, man.
Sister, lock it up.
No fun.
Welcome over here, fam.
That's why
I feel challenged.
Yes, you take me boys. Come.
Me never take no big boss.
Anybody can get one bag of jello.
Me no business.
Me win already. Can't get me jello.
We
come.
ain't done
No, somebody
Can't get jello. And I'm here go drink it. Don't.
But she first done.
I who first drink.
Drink.
Nobody don't drink it.
Nobody drink. I can't.
This all last one night. That she first
Let me spin out my bottle again, yeah?
You done?
television with
You done? I'm a ball.
My sister.
I'm a ball. Oh God. We need another challenger.
ready.
I first never see Kayla. Kayna.
Oh, God.
No.
God. When I tell when she's done, she's full of
Watch out.
Somebody walk over.
What's the one that you dry? You know how wicked this is?
I done my pepper sauce, Kayla. Always I done my pepper sauce.
Oh, turn on the fan, man.
Water, the water.
I'm going to buy some scotch bonnet pepper and put 6 in everybody.
No.
Yeah, go near me.
You do but the same pepper, but without the water.
You mix
You
it.
strain off the water and mix it for the
Sorry.
new.
I'm going to do it so I broke my fingers that week. Because none of bad to do. Watch out. Oh, God. Somebody have a bad to do. No. Somebody have a bad to do. No.
Hey.
Me not take a extra time.
You want water?
Go.
No, me no want it.
You want pepper? You want juice?
Let me tell you something here.
What way we not get money here?
You want juice?
No,
So
just
why
go.
not hold
We
on?
just do it for fun. Love for we YouTube.
Come before you burn out the whole of your organ. Party or something.
That's you want to walk.
You want the fun, baby?
Yeah.
You're supposed to have fun.
After you first done.
Look here, you never did set a rule. I said me I do it here chat.
No.
Nobody don't feel like you want to do. Nobody don't feel like you want to do.
Juice, Papa.
Back in have to pay for now.
Give me the juice.
Yes.
The video's camera light.
Come, somebody must want a juice.
Girl, go and feed jello. Can't
Flash.
give me.
I don't know.
First one,
I don't know.
Tell the first
Put it
person
on.
take your juice. Oh.
You don't know?
Me, I give one.
Sorry.
Money night now.
Take a juice. Take a juice.
Woo!
Take a juice.
Me no want it, mom na. Before me look in your face.
Daddy, you know yesterday no juice. I don't want to win. No.
Woo! Me want
Guys, put on the juice.
Kayla, what the juice you find?
I don't know. Kayla, do
I'll do
not
what I
take the
done.
juice, Kayla. I'm on your
Take a juice and go
tail.
lie down.
Kayla, don't take it.
A free juice.
No, take a juice and go lie down. Come on.
No, sir.
That's why me so and do it with ball duck.
They are a snap, baby.
They can't manage this about that.
Yeah, with a nice
They're
one.
not.
But
They're
that's
not.
all I pay for.
So I guess nobody know win. Cause nobody now drink.
Me no want it. Wait, do you see me as quitter?
Somebody
I'm sorry to you, that's why I'm not
Well, me no sorry for myself.
Come on, give me the juice. I'm going to the juice.
Yes, that's why you should drink you
Sister can carry the bag of the paper.
my lip. So I walk in the whole night. Whole night me on the right side. I pepper wear for my lip.
Come cheese, take a splash.
Come here, your share.
The jelly of the cow.
Man, I did juice. Take the juice.
Never drink your juice, girl. How you feel that?
Drink the juice and me a starty.
Well, drink it when your challenge done.
Take a juice. Where you share.
Why you not take it?
Am I?
Me not ready for.
Come now, we're gonna eat jello. Come on.
2 bag of jello. 2 bag of jello for the first person take the drink.
Me have family
Kayla,
for
the first year, and my wife do not take the drink.
I don't say serious.
Okay. One
I'm
splash.
sorry for what we got to do some night. I said the pepper wear for my lip.
Nobody not come to pepper wear off of them then.
Seriously, come and do it in the hot. Something alright.
And I'm happy now go hard.
Make it touch your lip.
You have.
I'm not ready. I'm not done. I'm not ready.
Taste the poachy, taste it. See my one there right there. You can't taste it.
Yeah, man.
Come now, Papa, I need to go fix this up in the machine. Hurry up.
But look, first thing, me have a juice.
They tell Papa, you see, and you don't drink the water. That time, they don't drink the juice.
Give him some water there.
No.
It's soup water.
This soup water when they talk. Make them get liquid. Then I go drink it. Make them take a sip. You run your Trish, cause you get it.
Alright, Trish win. Get Trish in juice.
Trish cannot win. Trish cannot drink your water. She cannot.
Me not drink your water for please. Uno, me not drink your water because I not drink the juice. So me just drink the water.
Drink your water too. Me dizzy. Me head a spin.
Me not sit down in there.
Come, Papa, help you hold the juice.
After me head alone a spin. Me feel this your heart.
Come guys, just get the juice. Everybody. Let me go for my phone. Me come there, guys. Watch boss.
Come on.
Turn on the fan no girl.
Guys, we have juice. Come.
Feel like me a fiend.
Any juice more get choppy.
No, if you turn on the fan, you know.
She
No, look here. You know the palm me sit a blow past me a
Guys,
put it a
taking.
reach.
But smile just to turn on him. Can't
What you
bother.
having now? What you having?
Me dizzy. Me that spin.
What is that?
Come guys, I know you guys want the juice, but
Half
you
cup
guys
of
just playing
rum.
hard.
Remember rum?
What you having? What you having? What you having?
Half
Pepper water.
What you having? What pepper water?
What? No, me done with it. No
So
more, no
Kayla,
more the
what's going
papaya.
on for you?
Nothing. Look at my lip now.
What you having?
Them a chimbo.
What you having?
Pepper water, pepper water.
So Shan, what's going on for you?
500,000.
if I did that.
Guys, look at her. She's the winner. She drank her water. Everybody else is dying.
Come on.
Yes, Kayla. Go on, Kayla.
Look here, see if you want to edit it, go edit it now.
Come. Why,
I think we see.
alright, you hold on that one. Take a juice and drink.
That not catch me.
No, in my kitchen, do not take no juice.
Everybody I get a bag of jello. You get a jello, you get a jello.
Yeah, there.
Me face a chimbo.
Yeah.
We already
On
come.
behalf of
Right.
the host.
Yeah, how much minutes that?
Yes, you freak the yes,
Give me a jelly.
How much minutes that there?
Five this heavy. Come on.
Eh?
No, 250. You pay half, me pay half.
Come.
I will hide me. Yeah, 250.
Last person
But
get
me
the
don't pull
juice. Wait.
Put it. It is all the juice. Oh God.
Come, big up your jello sponsor. Big up your jello.
Bye-bye.
Me provide jello for the
Alright,
I just
she
still have
drink
charge
coffee. She
money.
drink coffee.
Just you drink coffee juice?
No, she drink
Come on,
coffee
guys.
juice.
Oh, that's all.
Who drink juice? Somebody drink juice.
Yeah.
Me face a vibrate.
No, man, something alright.
Why done?
So daddy,
Kayla, you done it too?
The pepper sauce.
The water.
No, I'm not drinking water. They say you're not drinking water for you.
Oh.